Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OPPO A80. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And now you can click on this button to skip introduction. Now click on not now and click open permissions. Then click on AI assistant and here you have to allow this app to display over other apps and go back. Now you can go back again and then click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.